Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Took a bit of time off over the weekend, so be Monday morning we're back and we're excited to put flowers together, run the shop. So let's see what we have in store for today. Making an online order at the moment using these lovely Lizzies. Just going to quickly clean them up before we start. But a nice simple bouquet to start our day off. Feels like it's been a while, it's only been a couple of days since we put flowers together. So we'll see if we still got the magic touch. So this bouquet just plays with a bit of colour. And we sort of do it in a nice grouping fashion. So we've got lovely yellows, purples, and then we've got a hint of orange. So I'm putting it a bit faster than usual, just got a little bit more to do today, so we'll try and make our genius time go a bit faster. Shape's looking quite nice at the moment. And then we have these lovely purple Lizzies. A bit lighter, just so it blends really lovely together. Usually I go for like a maroon or something a bit darker, but couldn't seem to find any today at the market. And the nice extraordinary is they start with this really nice lime yellow, then somehow it turns to this beautiful, gorgeous light purple colour. Just taking off any broken limbs. Maybe we'll use them later for a box arrangement or just a little tiny display. So just working on now another order. Something small, bright, colourful. So I've got a handful of selections already, but we got mainly for the yellows for our brightness. Lovely piece of eucalyptus. Gorgeous disc bud. So the yellow sunflower will be really lovely. Maybe we'll put the lily in there as well. And that just shapes it into a nice V. Now when we add our stock, our lovely carnation seams. even though it's smaller. The shape can really spread out. We'll give it a nice volume to it. We'll just dingle dangle a bit. Try and move things in a way so it's a nice spread. You can see all the colours and everything goes out, and that just gives it a nice volume to it. We've got a little bit of the eucalyptus just to fill in that space, so there's sort of no gaps when you look at the bouquet. Just something small and simple, nice and colourful. That's wonderful. Going to work on now a nice pot arrangement. I'm going to do a nice bouquet. Whites and greens, keep it pretty neutral, and it's going to be for a sort of a gift. When you purchase something, here are some lovely bunches of flowers. We're using this just so it doesn't move where it goes, and it can just sit nice and firm. So let's get to it.